Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular Creator and today I am sharing a process video for a Christmas baking scene. In this video I will be showing how to make an interactive oven using a mess-free way of adding glitter and adding decorative elements to finish off the card. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicky. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. I am also looking for suggestions to improve my content for your watching pleasure, and so feedback would be appreciated. For this video I used a creature with stirring, sprinkled with glitter, oven add-on die and silver metallic cardstock. To begin, I stamped the oven from sprinkled with glitter onto a piece of narwhal cardstock. I then position the die and put it through my die cutting machine. To add a little detail, I use a Copic marker to enhance some of the cooker elements. I use my small die cutting machine to die cut more cooker elements from silver cardstock and attach these using liquid glue. Off screen I stamped the images and selected alcohol markers to colour them with. The caps will be displayed on the screen. As promised, here I feature the mess-free way of adding glitter. This is a tried and tested method from Jen's Circus and it works every time. I store the glitter in a large Tupperware container and use a quickie glue pen to apply a little glue to the areas that I would like to add glitter. I then use tweezers to pick up the image and dip it into the glitter. I do not touch the glitter with my hands. Once dipped, I carefully remove the image and tap it with the glue pen. It is then ready to attach to the card because the glue is very fast drying. I created most of the kitchen scene off screen using Lawnfawn sprinkled dots cream and gold paper for the wallpaper, white good grain cardstock for the cupboards, and paper bag cardstock for the worktop. I also used a yellow pastel vellum to put inside the oven to make it appear lit up. I attached the images with a mixture of liquid glue and foam squares. I felt that the top of the card needed a little something, so I cut the Lawnfawn Christmas garland from Noble Fir cardstock and the small bows from Red Shimmer cardstock. I then attached the garland using liquid glue. I attached a sentiment, "Not a creature was stirring," on the front of the card with foam pads. As you can see, I used a coordinating alcohol marker to go around the edge of the banner. Finally, and I am sure this is a bravery with a hint of stupidity, I wanted to add the second part of the sentiment on the inside of the card. I really must remember to do this before I attach all of the images. However, I used the stamp positioner and it all turns out to be okay. Phew! One more added detail, gems on the bows. Inspiration for this creation comes from episode 191 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. I quadruple dipped for this card. The oven door drops down. All colours would be found on a supper table decorated for Christmas, complete with cookies and gingerbread houses. And we are celebrating the season of Christmas with some added cinnamon seasoning. And finally, plenty of shiny elements can be found. A card where all the parameters link beautifully. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care, and I will be back soon.